All right, wanted to give you a few updates with regards to what do you call that, UAE and travel, and I'll read out the news and I'll give you my thoughts in between what the media is not telling you. Maybe you already know it, maybe you don't know it, but whatever the case, my request is, instead of putting comments like what the hell you think there's something new, or you're just reading from the papers, or tell me something I don't know. Share something which adds value. Maybe someone is reading and something I don't know, or share something so that we all can benefit from it. Don't simply start putting just nonsense. What the hell, you're just reading the paper, or oh, I thought you knew something. Hell with you, I know more than you. Please share. We are all sharing. Nobody is like sitting as the Sheikh's right hand man and telling, okay, whisper in my ear, what is exclusive? Come on, man. Okay, so I'm sharing with you whatever I read and what people have told me, including the ones who are stuck in India and who managed to travel. Okay, only thing is, like I always tell you, I can't give you the identity or specifics. Okay, and yeah, one more disclaimer before I do move ahead. Please stop sending me messages and giving me your sob stories. I understand they are very genuine. Mother's sake, father's sake, no money. But then, see, number one is, I'm being honest with you. You telling me your sob story, I don't care. I know this will make me very unpopular, but you telling me your mother's sake, father's sake, child has not eaten, you have not eaten. I mean, I don't know you. And I don't give a fuck, because I'm worried of my family just as you're worried of your family. I mean, how worried were you of my family when I was suffering? You don't give a fuck about others, nobody gives a fuck about you. So please stop sending people, random strangers, your sob story. Please, Loy, please, I'm dying, help. And nobody gives a fuck. That's number one. Second one is, I'm a service provider, but I'm not like one of those underworld guys who can, you want to get this thing done? Okay, fine. Transfer 1 million, we'll get it done. I mean, you're asking me stupid requests. Like some people are, this has become a trend now. Please, please, sir, I'll pay you this or that amount of money. Can you arrange a seat for me? Emirates is not my father's airline, and Sheikh Mohammed is not my dad. That I tell him, listen, hey, listen, Mohammed, listen, buddy, arrange for Rahul, arrange for Ramu on flight. He'll give you a commission of $500. What do you guys? I don't know what you guys think. I'm just an ordinary guy like you. The only difference is I have 40 years experience. My experiences are different. I have a little bit more knowledge than the average person, and yes, I have a few contacts and connections. Now when I'm talking of contacts and connections, my contacts and connections doesn't mean, oh, Sheikh Abdullah is waiting there, hey, and you can give a request and I'm going to tell, hey Sheikh Abdullah, listen, Bopu or Rashid from Uttar Pradesh, he wants a seat or he wants a job. Come on guys, what the fuck? Please talk to your contacts. Please tell him to get me on a flight, get me a seat. See, listen, if you have that much money, take a fucking golden visa or pay for a charter flight, 100,000 dirhams or something, you'll get a charter flight. I don't understand which Bollywood movie you watch, or who puts rubbish in your head, or I don't know if you even have brains, common sense. Listen, boss, if I was so influential, don't you think I would be minting millions? I'm an ordinary guy, Baba, ordinary guy, a simple guy. I don't like to fake what I'm not. Some people think Loy is a multi-billionaire, millionaire Fuck, he can give me. I've even got idiots from India. Sir, can you lend me? I don't know who this guy. So $100,000. I want to start a startup. In fact, the most ridiculous one was, I have a exciting proposal for you, student. He wants what? 100 million from me. 100 million. I wish I could say 100 million, $1 million in the bank. I wish I could see it at least. He's asking me 100 million. And I said, for what? I want to open a company like Google. I'm giving you an opportunity. He was very serious, huh? I don't know from where these cartoons come. So before I even start, please, my request to you, please, sir, I'm calling you. Stop watching Bollywood movies. Stop listening to shit. Stop believing that there is some magic, miracle. Oh, Loy will talk to Sheikh. This Sheikh. You know Sheikh? What fucking crazy. Anyway, wanted to get this out of my chest first. Now let us start with the UAE update.